Hello everybody, and welcome to ZAK's menu. Today, we are going to be making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. The ingredients we need are as stated: bread, peanut butter, and jelly. Let's get right into it. The tools you need are as stated: one butter knife. So first, we grab the bread and put it right here. Then, grab the peanut butter and our knife. We get a good scooping. A good scooping right there. Don't drop the peanut butter on the table. And we start gooing it. We start gooing it really good. And then, after you lather it on, you always grab a little bit more. Just bada boom it right on there. And then, do it for the other piece of bread. Do that, and boom. Now, make sure never to put the knife back in your apron. Can't let that happen again. And now, we grab the jelly and throw it in the trash, because jelly sucks. Then you grab it, and then you eat it. That's real good. I could go for seconds.